In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have a clean, on-brand page ready to collect leads and share with your audience. Start on your HubSpot dashboard and head to the main navigation. Click on Content to open the tools for creating marketing assets. This is where HubSpot keeps your web pages, blog posts, and landing pages, so it's the natural first stop when you're building something new. Next, choose Landing Pages. This takes you to the Landing Page Manager, where you can see existing pages, their performance, and controls to create a new one. It's helpful to glance at naming patterns here so your new page fits your team's conventions. Now, click Create a Landing Page. HubSpot will guide you into the creation flow. Don't worry about titles just yet. You'll set those in a moment. The main choice right now is the structure and look of your page. Select the template you want. Pick a layout that matches your goal, whether that's lead capture, event registration, or a simple announcement. Preview the template to check mobile and desktop views, and make sure it includes space for your main message, a compelling image, and a clear call to action. Choosing a template close to your end vision will save you time later. Click Edit Manually. This opens the drag and drop editor so you can customize every module. Manual editing gives you flexibility over headlines, body copy, images, buttons, and forms. If your template includes a form, great. Just tailor the fields to the minimum you truly need. Less friction generally means more conversions. Go ahead and edit it if you want. Update the headline to clearly state the benefit, swap in your brand visuals, and make your primary button stand out. Keep the hero section focused, move key content above the fold, and tighten any long paragraphs. Add alt text to images for accessibility, and double check alignment and spacing so everything looks polished. When you're ready, click the settings icon. This opens the page level settings panel. Here, you'll control essential details that affect how your page appears to visitors and in search results. Type your page title. Aim for something concise, descriptive, and action-oriented. This title appears in the Browser tab and can display in search, so include a keyword and keep it readable. If your brand name adds clarity, append it at the end. Finally, click Publish. Consider using the preview first to confirm the layout on mobile and desktop, then publish when it looks right. HubSpot will generate a live link you can share immediately. You can always come back to edit the page, iterate on the copy, and track performance over time.